sharing with you outfit ideas to transition your cargo denim from winter to spring into summer. Here we go, one more time, and JB is looking fine. Here we go now, yeah, here we go now. Y'all miss my singing? My early followers remember my singing because I would be blessing y'all with these vocals. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your pear-shaped shorty style guru, and I am talking cargo denim pants. That's right, one of this season's hottest trends. And I will not lie, you probably noticed I'm not like an early adapter when it comes to trends. I'm definitely on the fence like, ooh, that gonna work for me? I don't know. And I'm definitely not about to spend my coins on something that I don't feel like I'm gonna wear past the current season. I am past that point of like, I want to look cute right now. I like to buy pieces that I know I'm gonna love and wear year after year after year, and cargo denim girlies. Let this be my argument. Let me just submit this resume to you, this application, if you will, as to why you might want to reconsider, because they are giving. And here is the tea, baby. You do not even need to buy like 20 different pairs, right? I am going to show you just one pair, how I have styled it since I got them back in February. I have literally been wearing these pants into the ground. I love them so much, and I'm so excited to show you just how versatile and how flattering these can be. As always, if there's a piece you are loving, gotta have it, need it in your wardrobe, baby. The links are in the description. I do not gatekeep, and I always make sure that if something is sold out or old, to link to something similar so that you can get the style, because baby, I want you not only to look good, but feel good. And if this piece is gonna do it for you, who am I to stand in your way? With that, let's go ahead and get into these cargo denim outfits. Starting up with this look. This was the original look, the OG. I first tried on these pants just before this trip, and when I tell you, I was like gagging, okay? Because again, I did not expect to like these jeans as much as I did. So these jeans are from Dynamite Clothing, and this coat is from Zara, and it is giving city chic. I was on a day trip in New York. It was still wintry outside, so I really wanted something that was going to be versatile and comfortable. This did not disappoint, okay? And the faux fur, I mean, if you want to scream rich auntie, I've talked about this in my winter coats video. Faux fur is the way to go, whether you do a neutral color like this or you go bold and do like an actual fun color, because it is giving. And the crop style, as you can see, is very, very flattering. It is showing off the figure without adding too much volume. I know that that can be a fear sometimes if you wear a baggy top. With baggy pants, it's just like too much. But the crop style really helps to accentuate the frame but still give. And the sneakers, if you do not follow me on Instagram, you probably would not think that I'm a sneaker girly, but after 2 knee surgeries, yeah, your girl be living in sneakers on the low, okay? And these ones from Nike, these coconut joints, they just matched so well. And then I polished off with my Jacquemus bag. Like, this is a perfect, cool girl winter outfit, perfect for a vacation, obviously, even like a cute day date as well. This is such a chic, elevated way to style your cargo denim. Another very tailored, chic way to style it is with color. So International Women's Day was in March, and I really wanted to do purple. I feel like even though it's my favorite color, I actually don't have a lot of purple in my closet. Is anyone else that way? Like, you have a favorite color, but you don't ever wear that color, or is that just me? Purple is my favorite color, and so for International Women's Day, I've had this coat from NAKD forever. This always gets the compliments from you girlies. You love it, and I understand because it is a moment. And I paired it with this really cute tube top from H&M, super affordable. I will say I'm not convinced about the tube top. If you are somebody who doesn't like to fuss with their clothes like me, I definitely was finding myself having to pull up the tube top a little bit more than I want to. So I would actually probably swap that out for a regular tank top, or even a cute like one shoulder tank top. I just felt like the tube top and the vibes are there, but for my personal style, it just was a no. And then to make this spring appropriate, because the temperatures are starting to warm up, I paired it with some white accessories. I talk about this all the time, especially if you watch my spring brunch outfits. I'm not really big into color blocking. That just isn't something that I do really often. And so I do find to lighten up my looks, especially to make them appropriate for the seasons like spring and summer, white accessories is the way to go. So if you are one of those people who is like, how do I just brighten up this outfit? White accessories. White accessories, say it with me, white or even cream accessories. Before I get into the rest of these looks, I'm really curious, how do you feel about the cargo trend? Are you loving the cargo pants? Are you hating the cargo pants? Is it that you want to try it but you just haven't found a pair? Let me know in the comments. I'm super curious where you stand on the cargo trend. So something a little bit more casual, I would say every day, going around to run errands as it's still a little bit chillier out, is this. And so you have seen this brown shacket from ASOS. I love the teddy texture. I talk about this often. Using texture is such an easy way to make your outfits not boring. Like, it's so easy to reach for like jersey or ribs and something plain, but texture is just an easy way to elevate your outfits with very minimal effort. And you know that's what I'm about here. So I have the teddy shacket layered with that H&M crop top. Me and crop tops with these cargo pants, you are probably noticing a theme. That's the outfit combo, okay? Cute crop top that you are loving, cute cargo pants, thank me later. And again, because this was really casual, like this is just something I would go to run some errands and pick up my coffee for the day and then come back to like work from home. I paired it with my super simple sneakers from Steve Madden. I'm really obsessed. Like, these are so fun. Like, they're chunky and oversized, but they're actually really, really comfortable and lightweight. So if you're looking for a fun, chunky sneaker, definitely consider the Steve Maddens because they have them in literally so many different colors. So you will find a color that works for like your personal style, whether you want to be wearing more colors or you're more neutral girly. So after International Women's Week and then of course another cold week, we were approaching St. Patrick's Day. So I put together this super casual look just to again run errands. I had to run to the mall and do a couple of things. You have seen this cropped green jacket that I have gotten from Burberry a couple of years ago. It is a moment, and I am so sorry because I feel like this is the hardest thing for me to find something similar to, because it was just one of those one-off pieces, and I really love that when I look for outerwear. And again, you'll notice it's that crop style, so it still shows off my hips, it's still showing off the legs. Then I paired it with this Easy Forever 21 crop top. Again, you see, you're picking up what I'm putting down, but are you picking up what I'm putting down with the outfit combo? Then polishing off the look with the Sorel sneakers. Again, I am low-key a sneaker girly. I know you are probably a little bit surprised because I usually put on heels because I know that gives elevated, rich, and money. But the way my joints are set up at 32, I do wear sneakers to give myself a break. And these Sorel ones are so much fun. They have so many different colorways. They have this really cute orange pair that I'm looking at, and I'm even peeping some of their sandals because I do have a cruise coming up in a couple of weeks. And I need a good pair of just like sandals that work for walking, but also I feel like I can dress up. And I think this Sorel might have the answer for me. How else have I worn these? If you don't, you definitely should be following me on Instagram and watching my stories because I actually share a lot of my outfits in real time there. So that's actually what I'm looking for right now, is through all my videos and photos, so I can make sure I'm showing you all the different ways that I've worn these, because I really have worn these pants a lot. So we then had another super cold rush come in Michigan. It just was, I don't know about you, I'm definitely ready for summer, so this weather going up and down just isn't for me. But I put together this like casual Friday look, something fun with some animal print. And this is something, if you are not comfortable with crop tops, is a really great option to try, and that is asymmetrical tops, okay? This is another elevated basic that I feel like is so slept on. So it still gives you the coverage of a full-length top, but then that asymmetric piece just adds, again, something a little bit different. So this one is from Forever 21, under $20. I have it in 2 colors, and paired with the pants, like, it's giving. Like, that in itself is the outfit, but again, it was cold. So I reached for my really fun, extra rich auntie jacket. This is from H&M. I've had this leopard print jacket for a while now, and when I tell you, I mean, every time I step out I get compliments, but this coat always gets compliments. Then I kept the rest of my accessories super simple. So the black bag and the black ankle booties from Dolce Vita, which I do need to replace because, girl, they are looking rough. So don't look too close with the boots. But the overall outfit, again, if you are not somebody who is comfortable with crop tops, this is a really great alternative, again, is to find some really cute asymmetric tops. And the key when you're picking your asymmetric tops is to make sure that the shortest part is at the smallest part of your waist and it goes downwards from there, because that's going to help to accentuate your figure, but again, still give you that coverage if you're not quite ready to show your belly yet. So then as we're approaching summer, you are seeing me shed layers. We had a really, really warm week this past week, so your girl was outside creating the content. And this look, when Rich Auntie does street style, okay, so mesh tees are also having a really, really, really big moment. I'm obsessed. I feel like they are perfect for summer because your girl sweats. I get sweaty, so I love shirts that it's not obvious that you can see me sweat. And you will probably notice that 9 times out of 10, I will choose a tank top over sleeve tops for that exact reason. And that's why I love the crochet and the mesh. So this one from ASOS, right? The orange and pink, both my colors in one shirt. Giving. giving. And you can do this with any of the fun shirts that are out there, like the mesh shirts are having a moment, short sleeve, long sleeve. This is super cute, and you can wear this tucked into the cargo pants. Again, this is another option if you are not comfortable showing your belly, not comfortable in crop tops. This is another really, really great option, and it's gonna look sleek and it's gonna look really, really cute. The key is to just think about your proportions. So if you're trying to give yourself a more exaggerated pair, go with a darker top like this mesh top, because that will make your hips and your booty look even more luscious, even more biggity plump plump. But if you are trying to keep your proportions the same, choose a top in a lighter color or a color similar to the wash of the jeans that you have. And then of course, to play on the color, I went with my pink Arlen bag from brand Blackwood and these Nordstrom open edit sandals, which I am super obsessed with. I'm really surprised because you know how sometimes a company will make their own brand, like ASOS has their own brand and things like that. Nordstrom's open edit low-key goes really hard, and I love these. Then the last look that I put together most recently is this one. It's super casual, super easy, and that is just an elevated basic top with your cargo pants. This RTA top, worth every penny. It's a little pricier, but girlies, like when I tell you these are the purchases that I feel like are worth making, this top was it. And then I kept the rest of the look really, really simple. So this is another really great outfit combination. Find you an elevated top that's gonna be more of the statement. The denim pants like give some coolness, but really it's all about the top. And as you can see, I paired them with my Panda Nikes. Comfortable. I was meeting another influencer. She was giving me the tea on how to do even better here on YouTube. And like, again, when I tell you this outfit got the compliments, the chef's kiss, the okay girl, I'm scared to use. Yeah, that outfit. So that is it. 7 different ways that you can style your cargo denim transitioning from winter into summer, or if you are going from summer into winter where you're at, just work these outfits in reverse. And this one pair from Dynamite Clothing honestly are so perfect, but I also did round up a bunch of different cargo pants just in case the size you need is sold out for Dynamite Clothing, because again, they goes, like they really go. Thank you for watching all the way into the end. Hopefully you found this video super helpful. It gave you tons of inspiration, inspired you to even give cargo denim a try, or just look at your clothes a little bit differently to come up with new combinations, because that's what I'm here for. That's what I want to do. I want to help you find what works for you so that you feel good and you can really focus on the other areas of your life, because when you feel good, girl, you can take on the world. Like, you will not only tackle your goals, you're going to tackle your goals in style, and that's what I want for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.